First stop is in Midtown, Maine. The Clayworks at Disability Supports a brand new location here in Hutchinson. Joining me is Jenna once again. And Jenna, we are so excited about this location. Let's talk about what people can find and how the Clayworks at Disability Support works here in Hutchinson.
So now that we've gotten the store up and running here in Hutch, we're getting some brand new items into the store. They're doing some really creative things, along with, keeping up with doing the things that we've done in the past as well. So I encourage people to come and check out all of the different things. We have, of course, their clay pieces. They do a lot more on the potter's wheel now. We're doing some Christmas cards like usual, along with birthday cards, thank you notes, blank cards. Still doing jewelry, and mosaics, and we'll continue too.
Nativity scenes, and you're famous for your Christmas ornaments that people can get. You have those they can walk in. You've got a retail space. Well, let people know if they're not familiar with how the program works, that 100% of the proceeds goes to that artist.
Correct. So when you come into the store, you can actually go into the studio and watch the artist work. And that's the same for the McPherson location and this location. And the artist that you see creating that piece will get 100% of the tag price for that item. So when you're in the retail space, there's a little tag that has a picture of the artist, and that person gets whatever that tag says.
So the first thing people will notice at the new location, Hutchinson, it is 19,000 square feet, and you have a lot in here just besides the artists and working in their areas.
Yes, we have a lot going on in this location. The McPherson location is still like it was. We have a gallery there in our retail space, but here we have a few more things going on. We have a couple of classrooms that are available for community use. We have the gallery here, which is a gallery like the one in McPherson, just a lot larger, and the shows here will rotate just like they did in McPherson. And McPherson will have our Christmas market this year, where we invite outside artists to come and show their artwork, multiple ones throughout the holidays.
You also have the CosmoWorks, which is a joint effort with the Cosmosphere, and that's in the very back, and that's something that's separate, but a very unique situation.
Yes, we have a unique partnership with the Cosmosphere with their space camps, so we're constantly interacting with them. And then we have scuttlebutts here too, so people can come in and get a cup of coffee and a scone and walk around and look at artwork, talk to our artists, and utilize our community meeting rooms if they would like.
Let's let people know, what is the Clayworks at Disability Supports?
So the Clayworks is part of Disability Supports the Great Plains. It's an organization that provides services for people with developmental disabilities in McPherson County and Reno County. And here at the Clayworks, they're given the opportunity to create. They do a lot of things out of clay or jewelry or cards, and they're continuing to learn and grow and add new things.
That's the Clayworks at Disability Supports at their new location in Hutchinson, and don't forget to visit them also in McPherson on Main Street.